Welcome back to the Old History Project YouTube channel. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Please see the description below for links to my Facebook page and podcast. Hey, I'm glad you stopped by. Today's video is going to cover Hayslope, a historic log cabin here in Hamblen County, Tennessee. It's going to be the first video in a series that's going to cover the restoration of the cabin as time goes on. So this video in particular was recorded at the start of spring, so I think March or April. But anyway, if you would like to help along with this momentous project, you can go to www.hayslope.org to see how exactly you can help, and also to read more on the history of the house, as the owner is very in tune with the history of just what went on here on this historic property. So if you enjoyed this video, please consider a like, share, and a subscribe, and also hit the bell button down below to get notified every time I upload a new video. Today, you guys won't see this video for probably some time, but today we're here at Hayslope with the owner. She's over there. She's got the renters have been evacuated out of the house, we'll say, and we're going to begin restoration of the house. So before we jump in, just remember to like, share, and subscribe. You can support this project on anchor.fm/old history. So the house itself is in some pretty rough condition. Y'all can probably hear me better this way. The house itself is in pretty rough condition, but as I walk around, I'll give you the history. Hayslope has some very, very extensive history, especially in Hamblen County. It was built in, I believe, 1785. The only older house in the county is the Kaufman house, which was built in 1782. This is an original log cabin. The addition you see here, all of this was added on at a later point, I believe by Esco Thompson in the 1920s or 1930s. It was built by Colonel James Roddy. This was a main stop along the Stagecoach Road. There were three other resort houses that went with this house. They've since been torn down by the county. We've only found one foundation for one of them, so. There's a shot of the original logs to the house. I want to say that might be yellow poplar, but I don't know for certain. Don't quote me on it. Here's under the house, you can see the stone foundations and the log foundations. It's really, really neat to see. The ones at the Kaufman house are made from entire tree trunks. So this part of the porch is going to come down. It's going to be restored completely to, I believe she said it's a complete 1775 splendor. And there's no use in going in the house. It's a mess from where the renters just got out. So right here is the original stage road, and it would go on up straight up that way where it would cross with the Boone Trace. So original stage road. So I'll cut you guys off for now, and I'll pick this back up here when it's more clean outside and inside, and we'll just have a good old time.